Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelsey and thank you so much for joining me today. I just got my hair cut today. I really like it. I needed a haircut so bad and took off like a lot, like probably close to like 5 inches or so. Like my hair was like down to here and it was looking a little scraggly. I have pretty fine thin hair, and so when it starts to get long it just gets like a little sad, and so I needed a haircut so bad, and so I love it so much. I think it's so cute. It's like short and sassy and I just am a fan. But that's not what we're here for today. But today I want to talk about a few products that I want to finish by the end of 2019. So today is November 2nd. We have just about 2 full months until the end of the year, which is stupid. Like, I don't want to talk about it. And I do have a project plan going on for the year of 2019. I started the year with 18 products I wanted to finish by the end of the year, or like make a severe dent in, and I'm doing pretty good. I did upload a most recent progress video about, I don't know, a few weeks ago. I'll link it above if you're interested in watching it. But I feel like towards the end of the year, I've kind of come across a few items that I just need to finish up in the next few months. So I thought I would share them with you. First thing is kind of random. It's actually a deodorant. This is a deodorant from Smarty Pits, and it's an aluminum-free deodorant, and it's in the scent Rosemary Mint. And this is a sensitive skin formula. There's no baking soda in this. And I really enjoy this deodorant. My sister got it for me for my birthday earlier this year, and I love this deodorant, but I feel like I'm always on the hunt for like the best natural deodorant, and I have found one that I really enjoy. Well, I found a few that I really enjoy over the years, and I end up always kind of like moving on to something else because I feel like one, it'll start like irritating my armpits, or like I just have an issue with it of some kind, and so I feel like I'm always on the hunt for one, but I feel like I have found one that I like recently. But that means I have so many deodorants in my like bathroom that aren't bad. They're just not necessarily my favorite, and so this is kind of one of those. I do really enjoy this. I think it does a great job of like keeping me drier throughout the day, or maybe less stinky. I guess it doesn't really like keep you dry, but it does help with kind of like the sweaty smell. And so I like this. I just have found something that I like more, but I want to finish this because I think it's a good deodorant. I don't have a ton left. There's about an inch or so of deodorant left. We'll see. There's the end. So it's just about an inch worth of deodorant left. And I want to finish it because, like I said, I like it. I think it's a good deodorant and I don't want it to go to waste. And I just feel like I've got so many deodorants clogging up my bathroom drawer right now. And so let's kick one out of the team. That sounds mean. Let's finish one off. I have a few complexion products I want to finish. The first one is a primer, and this is a little mini primer. This is from Smashbox. It's the Photo Finish Radiance Primer, and I really enjoy this. I got this in an Ipsy probably 2 years ago or so, and it's a really nice primer that adds a little bit of a radiance, but nothing crazy, nothing too intense. The thing I do like about this radiance primer is that it has a little bit of like a golden tone. It's definitely not like super bright. I'll do a little swatch here. It's nothing like too golden, and it's not too over the top radiant either. It's just a really great everyday primer. I will say it doesn't help with like pore minimizing or anything like that, but it is nice. So this is a little tiny bit of it on my finger. So it's a little golden, but nothing crazy. And then swatched, it does have like a little bit of a golden finish to it. And it's a little shiny, but again, it's nothing like over the top. I have oily skin, so like a lot of times radiant primers or really moisturizing primers don't work well with my skin, but I really enjoy this one, and I think it adds a really nice like glow underneath like a matte foundation. And so this is something I'm wanting to finish. I feel like there's not a ton in here. I can't really tell how much is in here, but I have been using it a lot recently, and I feel like there's probably about a month's worth or so, so I want to try and finish this off. Next is a concealer. I actually have 2 of these, and I might finish, if I finish this one fast, I might move on to the other color. So it's the NYX Gotcha Covered Waterproof Concealer. And I love this concealer. I have repurchased it multiple times. This one is in the shade Light, and the other one I have is in the shade Fair. And so right now I've been using this one because I still have a little, I'm not like my whitest that I can be, and I've been doing some self-tanner recently, and so I'm not super white, and so the other one is just a little too light for me right now. So I'm trying to finish off this one because I love this concealer, but I have a few other concealers that I use, and I'm just, like with the deodorant, I feel like I just have too many to pull from right now, so I want to finish some off. So this one is a great everyday concealer. I'm wearing this today. No, I'm not. I'm not wearing this today. I was wearing this yesterday. I wear this often, and it's great for under the eyes. It's great for like all over the face. It has really nice coverage, but it also still just looks like skin, which is really great. So I'd like to finish this off. I think I'm pretty close to finishing this off, and then like I said, if I finish this one, I'll probably move on to the lighter shade. Last complexion product, this is from Bare Minerals, and it's the Matte Foundation Powder. I love this stuff. I have used this stuff for years. I've used Bare Minerals since high school, and that I graduated high school a long time ago. Over 12 years ago. And so I've been using Bare Minerals for a very long time. I love their foundation. I have another one in my drawer right now, and so I just want to finish this one off. I wear it in the shade Fairly Light, which is a really great color for me. It's got some warmth, but without being too warm, and it's just like the perfect shade. I am wearing this today. I have raved about Bare Minerals foundations forever. I think it's the only foundation for me personally that after I put it on, I feel like I'm not super sure about how it looks on my skin. I'm always like, I feel like I could use some extra coverage, but then throughout the day, it just wears beautifully and somehow gets more coverage throughout the day. Really do not understand how that works, but I love it so much. I thought I was out of this, like the last time I used it. I was like, dang, I'm like out of this foundation. I opened the back on this yesterday, which I had always been interested in doing that, and there's still a lot in here. Not a ton, but quite a bit. So I'd like to finish this off by the end of the year. I think I've had this one in my collection for a little over a year now, and so I'd like to finish this one off. And then the last product I have in my 5 products to finish by the end of the year is this mascara. This is from Too Faced, and it's the Better Than Sex mascara. This is a classic mascara. Everyone seems to love this mascara. I go back and forth on my feelings on it. I don't think it's a bad mascara, but I wouldn't choose to spend high-end money on this mascara. It's a little bit spendy, and I feel like it doesn't last on me super well. I feel like it either like flakes off or like will wear onto my up here, like my brow bone. But then other days it's fine. So I don't know, I like it, but I just want to finish it off. I got this in BoxyCharm a few months ago. I feel like I've had a lot of mascaras over the last few months, and I just need to finish some off. So I actually just finished one mascara like a few days ago, which is great. I have another one in my travel makeup bag that I'm just about done with. I probably just need to like get rid of it, and then this one is on its way out, and then after that I think I only have 2 other mascaras, which is great because I felt like very overwhelmed by my mascara collection recently. So I want to finish this one off by the end of the year because again, I like it. I want to use it because it is a high-end mascara, but I don't want to repurchase it. So these are the 5 products. I've got my mascara, foundation, primer, concealer, deodorant. These are the 5 products I want to finish by the end of the year. If not finish, like put a large dent in, and I'm feeling pretty confident. I think I'm gonna finish all of these items. One thing I didn't want to do with these additional 5 products to finish by the end of the year was do any kind of like duplicates of what's already in my project pan. I don't think I have any of these kind of products in my project pan right now as far as like a concealer, like the type of product. And so I didn't want to pick like another lip product or like a blush or something because I already have those in my project pan. And so these are all things that are new and novel to my project pan. So that was it for today's video. Thanks for joining me. If you're interested in finishing off some products by the end of the year, let me know about them down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you enjoy finishing products? I love finishing products. There's just something so great about finishing a product. You just feel so accomplished and I love it so much. So again, thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. I would love to have you around. And until next time, bye guys.